Okay, hi. So this is my 3-minute fluency video. We're gonna go over the important parts of fluency, the different assessments that there are, and ways to help struggling students with their fluency in the classroom. And this is my fiance, and he's going to ask me questions on fluency. So yeah.
Sweet. First question is, what are the 3 parts of fluency?
So the 3 parts of fluency is rate, accuracy, and prosody. So basically how fast they read and if they have any pauses, if they're stuttering over their words, all that kind of stuff.
Perfect. And then what are the fluency assessments?
So the fluency assessments are oral reading fluency, then there's maze, and just a fluency assessment in Idaho is the Idaho Reading Indicator. And yeah.
Perfect. Then what is oral reading fluency? Excuse me.
It is an assessment that tests their accuracy and rate. So basically how fast they can read. So this is why it's a timed test and it's individual and it's timed for 1 minute.
Awesome. And then can you explain what maze is?
So maze is an assessment that measures their understanding of the text, and it can be done as a group and it is timed for 3 minutes. So on this assessment, they're reading through and they have different choices for words. So they choose which one they think goes best with it. So that's how it tests if they are understanding the reading and if they understand the words that they are reading.
Nice. Okay, then what are the 3 levels of fluency?
So the highest and the goal is benchmark, and that's if they get a 3. And then a 2 is strategic, and that's kind of just need a little help, but they're not struggling too much. And then there's intensive, which is they need a lot of help and a lot of attention from the teacher.
Okay. So then with that, what are some reading strategies for fluency?
So 1 is echo reading, where the teacher reads as an example, and then the students read after, so they can get a good model of how fast they should be reading and when to pause and when not to pause. And then there's choral reading, where the student and the teacher read together, and so they can get a good rate going. And then another one is neurological impress, and that is where the teacher reads and then the student reads a couple words behind, so they can get a good example as they're reading.
Sweet. Okay.
Sweet. So that's our fluency video.